So check it out. Got kind of an interesting consist tonight. Got a Marx 1666. It's the one I picked up at the Syracuse show. I finally got around to taking a look at it, cleaning up the motor and seeing if everything works. And I also have the Lionel whistle tender that I paid $5 for at the show. Then I'm going to test that out too. I did find that the 1666, the smoke unit, the element was burnt out. So I put a Lionel 27 ohm one in there, and that's seems to be working really good. So we can see how that works. I made a video earlier of how to do that, to put the Lionel element in a Marx smoke unit. So you can check that out if you need to. And the whistle tender, there's nothing broken on it. It's in really nice shape. And so I got the locomotive in the tender for $15. Actually, I got 3 more cars with that, with the 1666. So that was a pretty good deal. So we're going to take them for a spin. You can check them out. We'll see how that smoke unit works. Pretty good puller for a 1666 with no traction tire. Doing all those Lionel compatible cars. And it's just starting to smoke. And the cabooses both have roller pickups on them, so that's another thing it has to pull around. There we go. Now it's smoking really good. Just got the Skittles card today from Menards. My wife wanted to order a few other things for the grandkids, so I stuck that on the order. Smoking really good now. So the Lionel elements work really well in these Marx smoke units. And we'll pick the camera up and kind of follow that 1666 around a little bit. The old smoke's just pouring right out of it. That's a nice loud air whistle in that tender. So for $5, that was certainly worth it. Especially to have one that clean. It's in really nice shape. Yeah, that's great smoke unit in that one. So I'll set the camera back down. There we go. That's a lot easier to blow the whistle. Alright. Okay. Runs great. So for $10 I got the locomotive as well as a tender and 2 other Marx cars, and of course then I paid $5 for the whistle tender. So it was a pretty good day at Syracuse. There's just a couple of things that I wanted to get fixed up and working right. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.